Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A7837. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone destination tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.